Welcome to the Teacher Tech Tip. Technology tips for success in 5 minutes or less.
Do you ever get frustrated with your Gmail? I do. If I look at this, I see a bunch of unread emails. I see read emails. If I scroll down, it's just a big mess. So I'm going to show you how you can help sort through this. Let's say you have an email from someone important, or maybe you are even using the star filter. If I click on the star, I can actually star items. I'm going to show you how you can better use those items. So I'm going to choose, let's say I have an email from an important person. I get regular emails from this person, and I want a separate box just for this person, and I don't want to miss them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this person like so, and I'm going to hit this label icon here. I'm going to hit create new, and I'm going to name it whatever I want. And I'll hit create. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the more icon, and I'm going to hit filter messages like these. And I'm going to put in the email address here like so. And I'm going to remove that as well. And I'm going to create a filter for this. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is you can decide if you wanted to skip it, but instead of skipping it, I'm just going to apply the label. So I'm going to choose my label, and I could have created a new label here too. Either way would have worked. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit also apply to the 22 matching conversations and create filter. Okay, now what that has done is it has moved everything over to this box right here that says Gretchen. And I can click on it and it takes me right there, but we can get better yet. I'm going to click on this gear here, and I'm going to go to settings. And now I'm going to go to inbox, and I'm going to switch my default inbox to something called the priority inbox. All right, and now in this priority inbox, I can choose some different pieces here. Now I have some preset. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to remove these sections so you can see how I got started with it. More than likely, you may or may not have items. You may have an unread or everything else. You might also have some empty spots. So with these empty spots, you can choose up to 4 spots here. I'm going to hit add section, and you can choose from important and unread, or important, unread, or starred. I'm going to go ahead and have a starred. I like having the starred option because then it puts a separate box there for me. And then I'm going to also add another section here in this empty one, and I'm going to go to more options, and I'm going to find my label for Gretchen. And once I've done that and I hit save changes, here's what happens. Okay, so now I have my unread box here with only so many items. And then I also have my starred box here, and I can also uncheck some of these items. If I unstar them, then they will be removed the next time I access them. And then I also have a Gretchen box. Look at that. It has her read and unread items. All her emails are here in this box, and if I would need to switch ahead to them, I can. See, it says 1 of 10 of a total of 20. And then everything else is down here. So these are all my read items. Okay, so just like that, I now have an unread, I now have a starred box, and I also have a Gretchen box, and I have an everything else. Awesome way to better organize your email in Gmail.